Yo, good evening to the item. It's last year, I know. Good evening to the item. All that is good to the item. My virgin, I'm a sister. Sight, family. What a whole heap of things are going about here, man. Whole heap of things just are going in a Port Antonio, so family. How are going with Port Antonio, daddy? How are going? From one thing to the other. You know. Yeah, man, everyone is right now highly welcome to the Veteran Kitchen office. Yeah, we're in the office of the kitchen today. You see me? So I know what I say. All that is good to everyone seeing. Yeah. What a whole heap of thing happening in a Porty, daddy. Eh? Whole heap of thing attack. Alright. Alright, people. People. Know people. Check out this. They don't know say first night, me there and me I show the item a thing, the gunman they remember. And I said, well, if I put down the gun, put down the knife, put down the weapon, it no good. Seeing, praise God and live on them thing. Remember me I tell you a thing about that? And me post it. 2 hours after that, me hear some man dead uptown in a Port Antonio. Oh, me a veteran for true history that. Me a prophet. Me post up a thing and I talk about a thing, the same type of thing will happen. Then you know say only a thing I talk in the street. And my bed me the one that happening in the daddy. And the youth, Barra, John know, I don't know Barra feel the daddy, because I'm bridging them, you know. John know special condolences to the family. Almighty God know. Veteran TV, a ball. Veteran TV got the key. Whole heap of things are going, man, with Port Antonio. Seeing daddy. Then now, Mario, Barra, 2 man, them are 2 youth in a Port Antonio town every day, walk up and down, yell them one another every day. Yo, I want about you, tell me, I don't love. Bamba, I don't love walk on. You see me? Yes, a man left guard them yard, talking in the streets, a man left guard them yard, fam. But come now and I want to listen to this, daddy. I man go up town and go hear these things from pay them out. Yeah, man, hear 1 million people are talking almost the same thing everybody I say. Man left guard them yard. You see me? A mad thing, man. Jano, my phone a ring from, but me talk to the item again. You see me? Man left guy yard and come back, you know. Man could have just jam my yard, you know, fam. If me left and go my yard, me not forward, you know. The man left guy yard and come back in the street. Man saying go for this, saying go for that. We don't know. Anyway, I'm actually did not play. See him. And the man about, yo, may I tell you no friend with this, if I put down the knife and the gun, you know, they may have dangerous weapon. Me say I want a little bit tall on this. And me say man a chop off a man and a chop man, you know. And one at a time when man raise up, you know, man just gas at the old people. Me tell you no son if you put down the knife and the gun. Because it's no good. See it again now.